All right, welcome everyone to today's Explainer. We're jumping right in today because we are going to dismantle the old, tired wealth building playbook and examine our source material to uncover 7 highly lucrative, completely accessible side hustles. We're talking about real methods generating serious revenue right now. So let's look past the traditional advice and explore exactly how modern wealth is built using digital leverage.
Okay, let's dive into this. This quote right here from our source material perfectly sets the stage for everything we're about to talk about. We're so often taught that success is just this straight line, right? You go through the university system, you get the piece of paper, and you're set. Well, while degrees absolutely still hold value, relying solely on that outdated formula is definitely not a guaranteed ticket to riches in today's digital economy.
The contrast between the old path and the new modern paradigm is honestly staggering. I mean, look at the traditional route. It often equals decades of student debt and literally waiting 40 years for a payoff. The modern approach? It requires as little as the smartphone in your pocket and understanding digital leverage to generate rapid wealth. Actually, our source creator bypassed that traditional university route entirely and leveraged early side hustles to become a multi-millionaire.
Section 1. High-profit digital content.
Okay, so take Daniel Bitton as an example. Get this, at just 16 years old, he's earning $500,000 every single month through faceless short-form content on Snapchat. How? Well, social media platforms are in an absolute dogfight for our attention right now. Daniel capitalizes on this by taking existing viral videos like news updates on popular rappers, adding fresh voiceovers, and applying really clever edits. He builds these niche channels, captures a massive audience, and just collects heavy advertiser payouts, all without ever showing his face on camera.
So what's the catch? Well, the barrier to entry is actually incredibly low. The financial cost is practically zero, a solid 1 out of 5, because you literally just need a phone and Wi-Fi. Hitting that first $1,000 a month is also a 1 out of 5 in difficulty right now, mainly because platforms are paying out aggressively to keep creators. But, and this is a big but, the time to learn is a 4 out of 5. You really have to master viewer psychology. That means building a killer hook to stop the scroll and delivering a satisfying payoff so they watch until the very end.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where the massive opportunity lies regarding our next digital content hustle, artificial intelligence. Looking at the tech adoption curve, right now with AI, we are just barely at the beginning of that early majority stage. That huge wave of the general public, the late majority and the laggards, they haven't even started utilizing these tools yet. That leaves a completely massive window of opportunity if you take action early.
Which brings us to Mercy. He is riding that exact AI wave to the tune of $8,000 to $10,000 a month, creating premium AI animations, and he's using totally accessible tools. He uses ChatGPT for his script and Midjourney for the visuals. But he didn't stop there. He networked hard to land high-paying clients and even managed to get his AI artwork featured on Andrew Tate's Instagram story, which, as you can imagine, drove some insane free organic promotion.
Now, while the money you need to start AI animation is basically a 1 out of 5, the time required to learn it is a solid 4. Yes, AI does the heavy lifting, but mastering core animation principles so it actually looks professional, that takes serious effort. Plus, you've got the hustle and network in the industry, but doing that heavy lifting right now ensures you stay permanently ahead of that late majority we just talked about.
Let's move on to Section 2, Monetizing Specialized Skills.
I want to introduce you to Chris Peters. While he was literally still sitting for his high school exams, 19-year-old Chris built a business pulling in $15,000 a month just managing Discord servers. Think about it. Discord is a pretty complex communication hub, and it completely baffles a lot of older business owners. That creates a massive skills gap. Chris saw this, approached our source creator, and offered to completely revamp their server for free. He provided huge upfront value, made himself totally indispensable, and turned that highly specialized tech skill into a booming agency.
The math to succeed here is incredibly straightforward. If you sit at your computer and learn this skill, you only need to find 4 clients willing to pay a $250 monthly retainer to hit that $1,000 a month goal. It's low cost, it's highly scalable, and it solves a massive headache for businesses, which makes the difficulty level to reach that first grand a very easy 1 out of 5.
Then we have the written word. Meet Adam, who earns over 10 grand a month through online copywriting. And to be clear, Adam isn't writing novels here. He's writing what the market actually demands right now: blogs, TikTok scripts, and Twitter threads for big influencers and brands. His secret weapon? The ability to achieve a deep flow state. In a world where everyone is constantly distracted by their screens, deep focus is rapidly becoming a dying art. By mastering it, Adam effectively becomes a highly paid salesman in print.
$50,000. Now, seriously, that is what some elite copywriters charge for writing a single web page. How is that even possible? It all comes down to financial leverage. Think about it. If you're writing doubles a business's monthly sales from, say, $200,000 to $400,000, well, that 50 grand fee is just a tiny fraction of the value you just created for them. You're making rich clients richer and simply asking for a slice of the pie in return.
Now, mastering this takes immense mental discipline. Learning how to actually sell through the written word and command human attention, that's tough. That makes the time to learn a full 5 out of 5. But the financial cost, a 1. You literally just need a cheap phone or an old beat-up laptop. And once you have the skill, every single dollar you make is basically pure profit.
All right, Section 3, Community and Commerce.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this exact repeatable blueprint was used by a coach named Jack Jefferson to completely walk away from his corporate 9-to-5. His fitness coaching system generated $7 grand a month and gave him total location freedom. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, in-depth onboarding to really understand the client. Step 2, crafting highly personalized nutrition and fitness plans. And Step 3, regular video check-ins to hold them accountable. Notice how it's not just some generic PDF course, it's a personalized relationship.
And here's the best part. If you already possess a skill, whether that's in fitness, business, whatever, the time required to learn how to package it is really low. You might wonder why people pay thousands of dollars when they could just buy a cheap book. The reality? People will gladly pay for the sheer convenience of being spoon-fed tailored, specific advice by an expert. They aren't paying for information, they're paying for the shortcut.
Shifting gears over to commerce, just look at this staggering valuation, $39.23 billion. That was the value of the luxury resale market back in 2023. Driven by this massive desire for designer labels and modern social media culture, the market is just exploding. And people like Ben Gallagher are cashing in. Ben actually started reselling luxury items as a side hustle, and it evolved into a £7.2 million business called Lux Collective.
While the profit margins on a single luxury bag can easily hit that $1,000 mark, the initial capital you need is a bit steeper, a 3.5 out of 5 because, well, designer inventory is expensive. But more importantly, the time to learn is high. Ben spent countless hours meticulously learning to spot fakes. He even sends samples to a lab in New York that uses microscopic tech to verify the leather grain. You absolutely have to be an expert before risking your cash. But once he had the expertise, he blew the business up using totally free TikTok marketing, proving you really don't need a massive ad budget if your content hits the mark.
And finally, Section 4, the wealth multiplier.
Look, making cash from an active hustle is really only half the battle. Securing true long-term wealth requires a conceptual leap into passive income. Investing isn't a side hustle, it is a mandatory multiplier. Our source creator actually notes that their investments make them roughly $17,000 every single week, completely passively. The secret here isn't trying to perfectly time the market, it's dollar cost averaging. By just consistently putting money into the market week after week, whether prices are up or down, you average out your purchase price and just let time do the heavy lifting.
So the crucial point is how you apply this. The smartest way is through index funds, like the S&P 500, which historically averages an 11% annual return. If you invest just $200 a month for 40 years, that yields over $1.2 million. And it's never been easier. Our source points out that using apps like Trading 212 lets you automate your investments into these things they call pies, completely removing the emotion and the daily decision-making. You can even use sign-up promos to get free stock to start. You literally just set it, forget it, and let it compound.
The beauty of this wealth multiplier is that the basics take almost no time to learn. You can literally start with a single dollar, and it requires zero active time once you set up the automation. The vital philosophy emphasized in our source material is this: do not just choose between a side hustle or investing. You have to pair your fast money active hustle with this passive strategy to truly multiply your wealth over the long haul.
Which brings us to the final question you have to ask yourself. We've seen the adoption curves, we've broken down the raw numbers, and we've explored the exact systems these young entrepreneurs are using right now to build modern wealth. The traditional path is clearly not the only option anymore. So what's it going to be? Will you wait around until the opportunity passes and become a laggard, or are you going to take action and start building your digital wealth today? The tools are literally right in front of you. Pick your hustle and get started. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.